Welcome students, welcome to AIPMT 2016 solutions by Nivedita Classes. Now we will discuss question number 29 of subject physics from code Z. Now what our question says that angle of incidence for a ray of light at a refracting surface of prism is 45 degree. The angle of prism is given to us as 60 degree. So let's draw the figure. Let's say this is our prism and this angle is given as 60 degree, and if I draw this as normal, so this is our ray of incidence and this angle is given to us as 45 degree. Now what it further says that if the ray suffers the minimum deviation through the prism, then we have to find angle of minimum deviation and refractive index of the material of the prism respectively. As you must be knowing that if the ray suffers the minimum deviation, in that case the angle of emergence and angle of incidence both will be same, and if this angle of incidence is 45, the angle of emergence will also be equal to 45 degree. So now A plus angle of deviation, this is angle of incidence plus angle of emergence, or we can say the deviation angle is equal to incidence plus emergence minus angle of prism, which is 45 plus 45 minus 60. So 30 degree is our angle of minimum deviation. This is our first part done. So from this first part we can say that option 2 or option 4, one of these two will be correct. And generally the refractive index of prism is greater than 1. So what I feel that option 4 should be correct. But if we want to go by conventional way, so let's calculate. See that if this angle is 45, so this angle, let's say it is theta. This angle is 45, so this will also be equal to theta. And if I calculate the value using the triangle properties, it will be equal to 60 degree. And here this will also be equal to 60 degree. Or we can say this remaining angle is equal to 30 degree. So now using Snell's law here, if refractive index of air is taken as 1 and refractive index of prism is taken as mu p. So 1 multiplied by sine 45 degree, that will be equal to mu p into sine 30 degree. Okay. So if I say that mu p is equal to sine 45 degree divided by sine 30 degree, putting the values 1 by root 2 divided by 1 divided by 2, it is equal to 2 divided by root 2, which is equal to root 2. So this is our second answer. That means that option 4 is the correct choice. Clear?